from an external point, start question, okay? From an external point P, two tangents PA and PB, two tangents PA and PB, two tangents PA and PB are drawn to the circle, listen, I will tell you one thing regarding the test. When you, the geometry questions, you have to draw the figure in your answer, the first one. Okay, that's an important part. Otherwise, I won't check it. No one check that in your paper. Right, from an external point P, two tangents PA and PB, two tangents PA and PB, are drawn to the circle with center O. Okay. Prove that OP is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Look, two tangents. Look here, center here. This is the chord. Question mark. From an external point P, two tangents PA and PB are drawn. PA and PB are drawn. Okay. With center O. Prove that OP is the perpendicular bisector of AB. OP is the perpendicular bisector of AB. That means we have shown that angle M 90 degree, and AM equal to MB. Question clear now? Question, listen here. Question is, hello, look at here. This is a star question. From an external point, listen, from an external point P, two tangents PA and PB are drawn to the circle with center O. Prove that OP is the perpendicular bisector of AB. OP is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Question clear or not? Hello, question okay or not? Okay. Question again, Nihal. From an external point P, two tangents PA and PB, are drawn to the circle with center O. Okay. Prove that OP is the perpendicular bisector of AB. OP is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Okay, Korean, you got the marks? Okay. So look at here. Hello. What you got to show here? Here, I'll show this one. Don't write. We have shown PA and PB tangents. So show that OP is the perpendicular bisector of AB means angle 1, this one, angle 1 equal to angle 2, equal to 9 degree, and AM equal to MB. Okay, listen here, don't write now. First of all, construction, join OA and OB. Then, look, in triangle, OAP, what? Triangle OAP and triangle OBP. OAP and OBP, PA equal to PB. Tangents from an external points are equal. OA equal to OB, radius. OP equal to OP, common. Therefore, triangle OAP congruent to OBP, SSS congruency. Hence, angle 1 equal to angle 2. Angle 1 equal to angle 2 CPCT. After that, in triangle APM and BPM, PA equal to PB. Tangents from an external point are equal. Angle 1 equal to angle 2, proved. PM equal to PM, common. Therefore, triangle APM congruent to BPM by SAS congruency. Hence, AM equal to BM, number 1, CPCT. Angle 3 equal to angle 4. Angle 3 equal to angle 4, number 2, CPCT. But angle 3 plus angle 4 equal to 180, linear pairs. Correct? Angle 3 plus angle 4 equal to 180 degree, linear pairs. Therefore, OP is the perpendicular bisector. Correct or not? This angle 90. Therefore, from 1, 2, 3, we get OP is the perpendicular bisector of AP. Clear or not? Is it okay? OP is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Clear or not? Don't write, I'll give the note. It's a good question, okay? Okay. Okay, right now, I'll give the note. Right. Construction. Right. Given you write PA and PB are two tangents to a circle with center O. Right. Given PA and PB are two tangents drawn from P to the circle with center O. To prove OP is the perpendicular bisector of AB. OP is the perpendicular bisector of AB. That is, in bracket, AM equal to MB and angle 3 equal to angle 4, 90 degree. So you draw the figure or not? Hello? What about the figure you did? Hello? Draw figure first. You did or not? Okay, then okay. Angle 3 equal to angle 4. You mark it 1 and 2 also. Okay. Then construction, join OA and OB. Construction, join OA and OB. Then, right, proof. In triangle OAP and OBP, OAP and OBP. OA equal to OB, radius. OA equal to OB, radius. Same radius of same circle. PA equal to PB. PA equal to PB. Tangents from an external points are equal. Tangents from an external points are equal. OP equal to OP, common. OP equal from, listen, hello, once again, Nihal, listen. In triangle, hello, listen here. Once again, I'm writing. In triangle OAP and OBP, check the figure. OAP and OBP. OA equal to OB, radii of same circle. PA equal to PB, tangents from an external points are equal. OP equal to OP, common. Therefore, triangle OAP congruent to triangle OBP. OAP congruent to OBP. SS congruency. Okay. Therefore, angle 1 equal to angle 2, CPCT. Angle 1 equal to angle 1 equal to angle 2, CPCT. Okay. After that, in triangle PAM, in triangle PAM and PBM, check triangle PAM and PBM. PA equal to PB, PA equal to PB. Tangents from an external points are equal. tangents from an external points are equal. Then angle 1 equal to angle 2 proved. Angle 1 equal to angle 2 proved. PM equal to PM common. PM equal to PM common. Therefore, triangle PAM, triangle PAM congruent to triangle PBM, PAM congruent to triangle PBM, SAS congruency. Okay, hence AM equal to BM CPCT, AM equal to BM CPCT. Number 1. Angle 3 equal to angle 4. Number 2 CPCT. Angle 3 equal to angle 4. Number 2 CPCT. But angle 3 plus angle 4 equal to 180 degree. Number 3 linear pairs. Angle 3 plus angle 4 equal to 180 degree linear pairs. Okay. Then from 1, 2, and 3 we get. From 1, 2, and 3 we get. OP is the perpendicular bisector of OP is the perpendicular bisector of AB. OP is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Okay, just go through the note. Okay. Clear now? Is it okay now? So, okay. So then see the next question. Next question, right? PQ is a chord. Next question. PQ is a chord. PQ, this is also star question, okay? PQ is a chord. PQ is a chord of length 8 centimeter. PQ is a chord of length 8 centimeter. Okay, PQ is a chord of length 8 centimeter, of radius 5 centimeter. Radius is 5 centimeter. The tangent at P and Q intersect at the point T. At T. Find the length of TP. 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 Okay. Okay, Ritika, how is the test? Say, hello, Ritika. Ritika absent. Okay. Okay, now how's the test? Now MCQ marks he got or not? Okay, right. Question again. I'll read. Okay, I'll read. Look at here. Hello. Okay, right. PQ is a chord. Listen here. Come on, listen. The question. PQ is a chord of length 8 centimeter. PQ is a chord of length 8 centimeter of a circle of radius 5 centimeter. PQ is a chord of length 8 centimeter of a circle of radius 5 centimeter. The tangent at P and Q intersect at T. Find the length of TP. find the length of TP. Okay, question clear now? Question okay or not? Question what? PQ is a chord. The tangent at P and Q intersect at T. PQ is 8 centimeter. OP is 5 centimeter. You have to find the length of TP. Okay, look at here. Hello, listen here. First of all, the previous question, you show that OP is the perpendicular bisector of PQ. Show that. Just previous question, cut and paste, but change A and B and O. Clear now? First, you show OT is the perpendicular bisector of PQ. Okay, write that part. Then I'll explain to you. Okay. The previous question, just copy. Okay. To find TP. Okay, Alina. So that we need previous question. We need OT is the perpendicular bisector of PQ. So copy and paste. Okay. While copying, don't put the same letters, vertex and all, A and okay. Here P and Q. Okay. So finish. Okay, finish or not? Okay, copying also this much time. Okay. Okay. So finish. Okay, now look at here. After that, listen here. So we proved OT is the perpendicular bisector of PQ. So this one is 8. Correct? Okay, this angle 90. So now OM square equal to, oh no, this is 4, right? 4, okay. OM square equal to 5 square minus 4 square. So 25 minus 16 equal to 9. OM equal to 3. Okay, look at here now. Okay, right. In triangle OMP, in triangle OMP, in triangle OMP, OP square equal to OM square plus PM square. OP square equal to OM square plus PM square. Pythagoras theorem. Then OM square equal to 5 square minus 4 square. So that is 5 square minus 4 square. Then 25 minus 16, that is equal to 9. OM equal to 3. OM equal to 3. Okay, now look. Now listen here. Don't write. Hello, listen on. Suppose this angle theta. Look, this angle theta. This angle 90. What about this angle? What about the angle? What about that angle OPM? How much? 90 minus theta. Correct or no? 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta. Angle OPT how much? Angle OPT how much? Angle OPT how much? 90. Angle OPT 90. Reason what? Radius through the point of contact. Radius through the point of contact. Right? Correct or no? Radius through the point of contact. Okay, radius to the point of contact. So that means this angle how much? Theta. 90 minus theta, theta. Okay. This angle 90. So this is 90 minus theta. Agree or not? Okay, now look. Triangle OMP similar to OMP similar to O is theta here. So P M T. Correct or no? O equal to P theta. M 90 M 90. P 90 minus theta. T 90 minus theta. Okay. So then OM divided by PM equal to OP divided by PT. OM 3. PM how much? 4. OP 5. And TPT. So that means PT equal to 20 by 3 centimeter. Okay, right first. Okay, it's clear now? Okay. So you write, right. In triangle OMP, in triangle OMP, let angle MOP theta. MOP theta. Then angle OMP 90 proved. Angle OMP 90 proved. Therefore, angle OPM 90 minus theta. Angle OPM 90 minus theta. Then angle OPT 90 degree. Angle OPT 90 degree. Radius through the point of contact. Angle OPT 90 radius to the point of contact. Okay. Therefore, angle MPT theta. MPT theta. Then angle PMT 90. Angle PMT 90 proved. Therefore, angle PTM 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta. Okay. Hence, angle OMP similar to triangle PMT. OMP similar to triangle PMT. AA similarity. AA similarity. Hence, OM by PM equal to OP by PT. OP by PT. In similar bracket, in similar triangle, corresponding sides are proportional. In similar triangle, corresponding sides are proportional. Okay. So 3 by 4 equal to 5 by PT. 3 by 4 equal to 5 by PT. Therefore, PT equal to 20 by 3 centimeter. PT equal to 20 by 3 centimeter. Okay. Check all. Check the note. Okay. Are you okay now? So we'll try. Is it okay now? Clear all? Okay. So next one, you try yourself. Okay. Two tangents TP and TQ. Two tangents TP and TQ. Two tangents TP and TQ are drawn to a circle. Are drawn to a circle with center O. Are drawn to a circle with center O. With center O from an external point T. From an external point T. From an external point T. Prove that angle PTQ. Prove that angle PTQ. Prove that angle PTQ. Prove that angle PTQ equal to 2 times of angle OPQ. Prove that angle PTQ. Prove that angle PTQ equal to 2 times of angle OPQ. 2 times of angle OPQ. Okay. Question again. Two tangents, listen. Two tangents TP and TQ are drawn to a circle with center O from an external point T. From an external point T. Prove that angle PTQ. Prove that angle PTQ equal to twice angle OPQ. Yes, correct. Textbook example, correct? Krishna. How you know? You checked? Your class done this chapter? Okay, okay, good. Okay. You try? So now we have only construction only balance, right? Okay. So next week we'll finish it all. Okay, getting or not? I'll give a figure. If you want, I'll give a figure. Okay. Okay, okay, then I'll wait. Okay. Okay, look at here the figure. Listen here. Look. Here, two tangents. P, P, Q, okay. Okay, what do you have to find out? Two tangents TP and TQ are drawn to a circle with center O from an external points T. Prove that angle PTQ. This angle equal to twice of angle OPQ. This angle. This angle is twice of OPQ. This is the figure. Okay. Look at here. Hello, listen here. I'll show this one. Come on. Are you getting or not? That's me. You got, right? Krishna, you got? Kiran got? Okay. Okay. Look at here now. Come on. Listen. Question understood? From T, two tangents drawn from an external points T. Okay. Prove that angle PTQ equal to 2 times of angle OPQ. Okay. Look at here. Those not getting, listen, don't write the. Okay. Now, in triangle TPQ, this one equal to this one. Tangent from an external points are equal. Therefore, angle P equal to angle Q. Don't write, I'll give the note. Angle P equal to angle Q. We call this is X. This is also X. So now X plus angle PTQ equal to 180. Okay. So 2x plus angle PTQ equal to 180. 2x equal to 180 minus angle PTQ. Now PTQ Q, number one. Okay, here now, TP equal to TQ. Tangents from an external points are equal. X here. Reason what? Angle opposite equal sides are equal. So X plus PTQ equal to 180. QX equal to 180 minus PTQ. Okay. Look, angle TPO how much? Angle TPO 90 degree, correct? TPO 90 degree. So that is X plus angle OPQ equal to 90. Correct or no? X plus OPQ 90. Here 2x I multiply by 2. 2x plus 2 times of OPQ equal to 180. Number 2. Okay. Okay, so no need this one, I think. Okay, so look at here. Let us see. Here 180, here 180. This is 1, here 2. So now 2x plus 2 times of OPQ equal to 2x plus PTQ. 2x cancel, finish. PTQ equal to 2 times of OPQ. PTQ equal to 2 times of OPQ. Okay, I'll do the note. Right. Okay, ready now? Proof. Given and all, you have to write it. Okay. In triangle TPQ, right? In triangle TPQ, TP equal to TQ, TP equal to TQ, TP equal to TQ. Tangents from an external points are equal. Tangents from an external points are equal. Okay. Therefore, angle TPQ equal to angle TQP. TPQ equal to angle TQP. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Okay. Let angle TPQ equal to angle TQP equal to X. Okay, then X plus angle PTQ equal to 180 degree. X plus angle PTQ equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property of a triangle. Then 2x plus angle PTQ equal to 180. 2x plus angle PTQ equal to 180. Call it number 1. Then angle TPO 90 degree. Angle TPO 90 degree. Radius through the point of contact is perpendicular. Radius through the point of contact is perpendicular. Then X plus angle OPQ equal to 90. X plus angle OPQ equal to 90. Okay. Then we want 2 times OPQ. So 2x plus 2 times of OPQ equal to 180. Number 2. 2x plus 2 times of OPQ equal to 180. Number 2. Okay. From 1 and 2, we get 2x plus 2 times of OPQ equal to 2x plus PTQ. 2x cancel, we got the answer. Okay. Okay. It's clear now? Hello. Is it okay all? Okay. Finish. Are you okay? Okay. So next question. Next one is star question. Okay. If anyone finished first one, send me the note. Okay. Hello. It's a wildcard question. Okay. If anyone finish first one, will get a wildcard. Okay. Next test. If anyone the guy who got the wildcard, no need to write any imposition and okay. Right. Two tangents. Don't consider like that. It's a competition. Okay. That spirit you take it. Within the time. Okay. Timing is very important thing. Okay. Two tangents PA and PB are drawn. Are you ready now? Right? Everyone ready? You work out it, then send me the note. Okay. Who get the first on get card? Okay. Two tangent segments, PA and PB are drawn. PA and PB are drawn to a circle with center O. To a circle with center O. Such that angle APB, such that angle APB such that angle APB such that angle APB 120 degree. APB 120 degree. Prove that OP equal to 2AB. OP equal to 2AP. OP equal to 2AP. Once again, two tangent segments. Two tangent segments PA and PB are drawn to a circle with center O such that angle APB 120 degree. APB 120 degree. Prove that OP equal to 2AP. Okay. Question, okay. Aditi, listen. From an external point P, from an external point P, two tangents PA, two tangents PA and PB are drawn to a circle with center O. Sorry, listen, wait, not that question. Two tangents PA and PB are drawn to a circle with center O, correct, such that angle APB 120 degree. Angle APB 120 degree. Prove that OP equal to two times of angle, two times of OP equal to 2AP. OP equal to 2AP. Okay, try now. Hmm. Okay. Krishna, you sent. Okay, let me check. Okay. That's me also sent. Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. Correct. Krishna and Asmi got correct. Okay. So look at here now. So finish now. Okay. Both are correct. Krishna and Asmi. Okay. Both are sent the same timing. Okay. Okay. Look at here. So hello. Listen here. So now I explain here. Look. So look at here. When you draw this one figure, look, make it a little bit big circle. Look, when you draw this question, look, big circle. Okay. Then question what? From a point P, two tangents PA and PB. Make it very close. Okay. Then only 120 degree. Okay. Because okay, that is okay. Yes. Okay. Asmin, you have to be careful that because otherwise angle looks 30 degree only. Okay, very close. Because if you got very far, it looks 30 degree. That's the only problem. There is no issue. Okay. Two tangents PA and PB. PA and PB are drawn from an external points. The center of such that angle APB 120 degree. This angle 120 degree. Okay. Show that what you have to prove OP equal to 2AP. Okay. Look here, join this one. Okay. So show this one equal to this one. Tangent from an external points are equal. This one equal to this one. Radius common. Therefore, PAO PO equal to 60. Listen, it's a 4 mark questions. Idea is important thing. Look, finish cos 60. What? This angle 90. Adjacent side PA by OP. Cos 60 1 by 2. AP divided by OP. So OP equal to 2AP. Okay, finish. Clear now? It's a good question. Connected with the trigonometry also. Okay. Clear or no? Just idea is important thing. 4 mark question only. Only two line only answer. Okay. First you show triangle APO and BPO are congruent. Okay. Try now. Listen, I didn't see that. Farah, you also correct. Okay, 3 correct. Farah and Asmi, Krishna. Okay, I didn't notice that. Okay. Farah, you also correct. Farah, I think you took time, 1 minute more, because you wrote very detailed. Okay, that's okay. Very good. You wrote. Okay. Asmi also correct. Okay. So that means so very good. Okay, because that idea is important thing, because suddenly change your mind to trigonometry. No, that's important thing. How what the tendency you change his mind? 3 Asmi, Krishna and Farah, because I didn't give any clue. Oh, okay. So that is the you got idea, right? Okay. Okay. Without that also one method there is, but very lengthy one. Maybe 2 pages you have tried it. Without trigonometry idea also we can find out this, but very lengthy. Okay. So finish this one. I hope everyone okay right now. Now, Nihal, no use, because I already published the answer now, Nihal. Okay. Okay. So next question. Okay, next one, try next question. Okay, this is also a good question. Okay, I hope finish all right. Right. From a point, this also try yourself. Okay, try this one. Okay, from a point P, 2 tangents PA and PB are drawn. From a point P, 2 tangents PA and PB are drawn to a circle with center O. To a circle with center O. Okay, from a point P, 2 tangents PA and PB are drawn to a circle with center O. If OP equal to diameter circle, OP equal to diameter of the circle, OP equal to diameter of the circle. OP equal to diameter of the circle. OP equal to the diameter of the circle. Prove that triangle APB is equilateral. Prove that triangle APB is equilateral. Prove that triangle APB is equilateral. Okay, try now. Question. From a point P, 2 tangents PA and PB are drawn. From a point P, 2 tangents PA and PB are drawn to a circle with center O. If OP equal to diameter circle, OP equal to diameter of the circle, show that triangle APB is equilateral. triangle APB is equilateral. Okay. Okay, question. From a point, Aditi, from a point P, two tangents PA and PB are drawn to a circle with center O. Okay. If OP, same type question, OP is the diameter of the circle. OP is equal to the diameter of the circle. Show that triangle APB is equilateral. Triangle APB is equilateral. Okay. You got it? Ask me. Okay, good. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's finish all. Okay, look at here. Hello, listen here. What is the question? OP, listen, from an external point. Okay, O here, P here. Two tangents PA and PB are drawn. Okay, PA and PB. Okay, show that and OP is equal to diameter. OP is equal to diameter. Okay, show that a triangle APB is equilateral triangle. Okay, look at here. Anyway, come on, you join this one. You join this one. Okay. This is radius R. This will be 2R. Correct or no? As per the question, OP is equal to, listen, OP is equal to the diameter. So radius R, OP is 2R. Let this angle is theta. This angle 90. 90. Okay. Sin theta equal to R by 2R. R by 2R. So sin theta 1 by 2. Theta how much? 30. Here 30. This also 30. Similarly. Now in triangle PAB, this angle x plus 60 equal to 180, x equal to 60. So that means PAB is equilateral triangle. Clear or not? For all got. Okay. So now right, just not getting, listen here. You join, okay, draw figure like this. Hello. Okay, Alex, Kaushik, listen. Draw the figure first. Then, you know, OP equal to 2 OA. Question is given. OP is equal to the diameter. So radius is R. OP is 2R. Then angle OPA equal to theta. Then sin theta, opposite side by hypotenuse, R by 2R equal to 1 by 2. Sin theta 1 by 2, theta is 30. This is 30. Similarly, BP O also 30. Hence angle APB 60. Now, after that, in triangle PAB, PA equal to PB. Hence angle PAB equal to angle PBA. Angle opposite equals sides are equal. They are x. X plus x equal plus 60 equal to 180. X equal to 60. Hence PAB is an equilateral triangle. Clear now? Kaushik. Okay, I'll give a note. Right. Okay, you mark it. OA equal to R. Mark it. OA equal to R. OP equal to 2R. Given. Then in triangle OPA, sin theta, you mark it that angle theta. Sin theta equal to OA by OP. That is R by 2R. R by 2R. Okay. R by 2. That is 1 by 2. Sin theta equal to 1 by 2. Theta equal to 30. Similarly, angle BPO 30. BPO 30. Okay. Then, hence angle APB 30. APB 30. Then, after that, in triangle PAB, PA equal to PB. Tangents from an external points are equal. Tangents from an external points are equal. Hence, angle PAB equal to angle PBA equal to PBA. angles opposite equal sides are equal. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Let angle PAB equal to angle PBA equal to x. PAB plus, sorry, PAB equal to PBA equal to x. Okay, then after that, x plus 60 equal to 180. Angles are property of a triangle. So x equal to 60. Therefore, PAB is an equilateral triangle. PAB is an equilateral triangle. Okay. So next question. Okay, ready now? Okay, next one. The radii of two. Next question. Are you okay? Hello. Is it okay? If you want to check the note. If you don't want to check the note, check it now. Hello. Check the note. If any doubt, tell me. Because these are all star questions. Okay. Okay. So next question, right? Right. A circle touches a circle. A circle. A circle. A circle touches. A circle touches the sides of a quadrilateral ABCD. A circle touches the quadrilateral ABCD. A circle touches the sides. A circle touches the sides of a quadrilateral ABCD at PQRS respectively. At PQRS respectively. At PQRS respectively. At PQRS respectively. A circle touches the sides of a quadrilateral ABCD at PQRS respectively. At PQRS respectively. Okay. Show that angle subtended at the center. Show that angle subtended at the center. Show that angle subtended at the center by a pair of opposite angles, by a pair of opposite sides, by a pair of opposite sides, by a pair of opposite, by a pair of opposite sides are supplementary. By a pair of opposite sides are supplementary. By a pair of opposite sides is supplementary. Okay. Question again. a circle touches the sides of a quadrilateral ABCD at P, Q, R, S. Okay. Show that angles subtended at the center by a pair of opposite sides are supplementary. By a pair of opposite sides are supplementary. Okay. Look at here. It's not a straight line. Don't think AOC is a straight line. No, it's not a straight line. This is also not a straight line. So that means it's not a vertically opposite angle also. Okay. Draw figure. Hello. Draw first. Okay, draw that. I'll explain this one. Okay. Look at here. Question clear or not? Question okay? A circle touches the sides of a quadrilateral at PQRS. Show that this angle AOB plus DOC 180 degree and BOC plus AOD 180 degree. Hello. Don't think AOC is a straight line. No, it's not a straight line. BOD also not a straight line. Okay, clear now? Okay. So how to show this one? Figure okay? I'm going to explain to you. Are you okay now? Figure okay or not? Question clear? The angle subtended by a pair of opposite sides is supplementary. Okay, Hania, you got it? Question clear or not? Abhishek, Aditya, Divya, Devayani. Devayani is still in quarantine, right? You cannot go outside. Anyone call you, whether you are at home or not? Okay, 1 up, right? Okay. So, Roshan, hello, Roshan Majud today. Roshan Majud, okay. Oh, really? Selfie, right? Okay. Come on. So, if it is okay, look at here. Hello, come on. Question clear or not? It's not sending. That means someone is monitoring. Okay. Look at here. Here, this angle plus this angle 180. Question clear? Question is, look at here. I'll read the question. Look, a circle touches the sides of a quadrilateral ABCD at PQRS respectively. Show that the angle subtended at the center by a pair of opposite sides is supplementary. Okay. There is a shorter construction. Look at here. Join this one. Join this. Okay. Now look at here. Come on. Take this one. I want to give the note. Listen. Take this triangle. This one equal to this one. Why? Tangents from an external points are equal. This one and this one equal radii. This one common. Okay. Hence, angle 1 equal to angle 2, right? Angle 1 equal to angle 2, CPCT. Similarly, 3 equal to 4, if we take this one. And 5 equal to 6. 7 equal to 8. Okay. After that, are you okay? Clear now? So main part is finished. You understood how you got angle 1 equal to angle 2? Roshan, clear or not? Aditya? Divya? Divya or Diya? Diya, okay. 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 So, Diba, listen here. In triangle, look at here, in triangle ASO. In triangle ASO, look at the figure. ASO and APO. AS equal to AP. Tangents from an external points are equal. Tangents from an external points are equal. OS equal to OP. OS equal to OP, radius. OA equal to OA, common. Therefore, triangle ASO congruent to triangle APO. SSS congruency. Clear now? That part. So, angle 1 equal to angle 2. 3 equal to 4. 5 equal to 6. 7 equal to 8. Okay. Korean. Okay now? Okay. Now, look at here. You know that, look. So, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, angle 8 equal to 360. Angle around a point. Okay. Correct or no? 1, 2, 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 equal to 360. Now, look. Instead of 1, I'm writing angle 2. 2, 2 only. Plus 3, 3 only. 4, I'm writing again 3. 5, I'm writing 6. 6, 6 only. Plus 7, 7. Okay. Instead of 8, I'm writing 7. Why I'm writing now? Because my intention is to show this angle plus this angle is our requirement. So 2 plus 2 times of angle 2, 2 times of angle 3, 2 times of angle 6, 2 times of angle 7 equal to 3. This 360 equal to 360. So what? Therefore, angle 2 plus 3 plus angle 2 plus 3 bracket plus angle 6 plus 7 equal to 180. That means AOB plus DOC equal to 180. Okay. After that, you can prove it. Okay. Now write first. Draw figure. I'll give the note. Okay. Draw first. Mark it. You mark it. Then tell me. I'll give the note. Okay. Okay. Then right. You mark it 1, 2, 3, and 2. Right. In triangle ASO. Right. I'll give the note. Complete note. I'll give you. In triangle ASO. In triangle ASO. In triangle ASO and APO. ASO and APO. ASO and APO. AS equal to AP. AS equal to AP. Opposite angles are not supplement. Yeah, this particular question. This particular question only. Okay. AOB plus DOC is 180 degree supplementary. Yes. Okay. Right. In triangle ASO. In triangle ASO and APO. ASO and APO. AS equal to AP. AS equal to AP. Tangents from an external points are equal. Tangents from an external points are equal. Okay. SO equal to PO. SO equal to PO. Okay, radii. AO equal to AO common. Okay, therefore, triangle ASO congruent to triangle APO. ASO congruent to triangle APO. SSS congruency. SSS congruency. Okay. Hence, angle 1 equal to angle 2 CPCT. Angle 1 equal to angle 2 CPCT. This part clear or not? Hello, everyone. Roshan, Juan, are you okay? This part? Okay. Then, similarly, we can prove that. Similarly, we can prove that angle 3 equal to angle 4. Angle 3 equal to angle 4. And angle 5 equal to angle 6. Angle 5 equal to angle 6. Then angle 7 equal to angle 8. Angle 7 equal to angle 8. Okay, 7 equal to angle 8. Okay, then after that, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 plus angle 8 equal to 360 degree. Angles around a point. Angles around a point. This is 4-mark question. Why? Why, Aditya, you asking my marks? No, it's not long. Come on, it's not long. When I give the note, I'm making it one big story because 4 marks you have to get no. Everything writing, that's why. Because according to my point of view, I give all the points. I don't want to miss any half mark. That's why. Every reason I have to write it. Okay. Just like a language. Okay. Angle 1 plus angle 2. Actually, this is a real question, not an extra question. Correct or not, Radhika? Radhika's class is not over. Joan, your class finished this one, right? I think radar question number 13, I think. Correct? Okay. I don't know. Okay. Right. Angle 1 equal to, okay, what is not angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 8 equals 360. Okay. Then we change. Instead of 1, you're writing 2. Again 2. 3. 4. Replace 3. 5, 6. Again 6. 7. 7 only. Instead of 8, 7. So then what? 2 times of angle 2 plus 2 times of angle 3 plus 2 times of angle 6 plus 2 times of angle 7 equal to 360. Okay. So 2 all cancel. Angle 2 plus angle 3 in bracket Angle 6 plus angle 7 equal to 180. Angle 2 plus angle 3 in bracket. Angle 6 plus angle 7 equal to 180. Okay. Okay, that 2 plus 3. Angle AOB. Angle AOB plus angle DOC 180 degree. This proves the first part. Okay. How to prove second part then? How to prove the second part? Anyone? Second part, how to prove? Juan, any suggestion? How to prove second part? Yes. Listen, you know that AOB plus BOC plus COD plus AOD is 360, correct? Correct or no? Right now, second part. Angle AOB, right? Angle AOB plus angle BOC plus angle COD plus angle AOD 360 degree. But AOB plus DOC 180 proved. AOB plus DOC 180 degree proved. Therefore, BOC plus AOD equal to 180. This proves the second part. Okay. So check the, okay. Okay. So next question. L and M are two parallel tangents. L and M. Next one is also star question. Okay. L and M are two parallel tangents. L and M are two parallel tangents at A and B. L and M are two parallel tangents at A and B. The tangent at C, the tangent at C makes an equal intercept, makes an equal intercept sorry, the tangent at C makes an intercept only, not equal. Makes an intercept DE between L and M. Between L and M. Prove that angle DFE 90 degree. Prove that angle DFE 90 degree. Prove that angle DFE 90 degree. Once again, listen. L and M are two parallel tangents at A and B. L and M are two parallel tangents at A and B. The tangent at C makes an intercept DE between L and M. Prove that angle DFE 90 degree. Prove that angle DFE 90 degree. Okay. Look at here. Figure is here. This is L, M, okay. Here A, the center B, here one tangent at C, M here. Okay, show that MON 90 degree. This angle 90 degree. Okay, this is the question. Okay, look. Question clear? Question, I'll read again. L and M. L and M are two parallel tangents. L and M are two parallel tangents at A and B. The tangent at C makes an intercept. The tangent at C makes an intercept DE between L and M. Between L and M. Prove that angle DFE. Prove that angle DFE. Here D, this is M here, DFE, D here, F here. DFE 90 degree. DFE 90 degree. This angle you are short 90 degree. Okay. Question clear or not? Are you okay? Question. L and M are two tangents. L and M are two parallel tangents at A and B. The tangent at C intersect L and M at D and E. Prove that DFE 90 degree. Okay. Okay, I'll show this one. Look at here. It's a good question. Okay. Star question. Okay. Look. Come on. He joined this one and this one. Okay. What? Join FC and FA. F is the center. Okay. F is the center. Then this one equal to this one. Why? Radius. This one equal to this one. Tangents from an external points are equal. This one common. So these triangles are similar by, congruent by SSS. Hence, angle 1 equal to angle 2. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Similarly, 3 equal to 4. Angle 3 equal to angle 4. Okay. And we know that angle ADE plus angle BED equal to how much? ADE plus, hello, ADE plus BED how much? 180 degree. Why? Co-interior angles. Correct or no? Because the lines are parallel. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 equal to 180. Instead of 1, I'm writing 1. Angle 1 plus angle 1, angle 3 plus angle 3 equal to 180. So 2 times of angle 1, 2 times of angle 3 equal to 180. Angle 1 plus angle 3, 90. In triangle DFE, 1 plus 3, 90. DFE how much? 90 degree. Clear? Okay. Okay. Draw fast. 5 minutes only. Draw fast. I'll give the note. Okay, right. Construction, join OA, OC, OB. Construction, join OA, OC, OB. After that, proof. In triangle FAD, this is F. Okay. FAD and triangle FCD. FAD and FCD. FAD and FCD. In triangle FAD and FCD. FA equal to FC, same radius. FA equal to FC, same radius. Then DA equal to DC. DA equal to DC. Tangents from an external points are equal. FD equal to FD, common. FD equal to FD, common. Therefore, triangle FAD congruent to triangle FCD. FAD congruent to triangle FCD. SSS congruency. Hence, angle 1 equal to angle 2, CPCT. Angle 1 equal to angle 2, CPCT. Similarly, we can prove that angle 3 equal to angle 4. Angle 3 equal to angle 4. Okay. After that, L parallel to M. L parallel to M given. Hence, angle ADE plus angle BED. ADE plus angle BED equal to 180 degree. Co-interior angles. That is angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4. Angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 equal to 180 degree. Then angle 1 plus angle 1, angle 3 plus angle 3, 180 degree. Then 2 times of angle 1 plus 2 times of angle 3 equal to 180 degree. That means angle 1 plus angle 3, 90 degree. Angle 1 plus angle 3 equal to 90 degree. Then in triangle DFE, angle 1 plus angle 3, 90 degree. Therefore, angle DFE 90 degree. Angle DFE 90 degree. Angle sum property of a triangle. Is it okay now? Okay. So one more class Wednesday. I hope you can finish this chapter. Okay. Saturday we'll finish. Saturday or maximum Monday we'll finish our portions. Okay. After that we'll start the grand revisions. Okay. This is enough today. Okay.